Historical POV videos are absolutely exploding all over social media right now. And look at this Instagram page. 28.4 thousand followers, only 10 videos uploaded. And one of those videos has already crossed 4.8 million views and is still climbing. Now, watch what I personally created with AI in just 5 minutes. Here is exactly how you can create these for completely free right now. Head straight over to ChatGPT, click on More, and select GPTs. Inside the search bar, type Historical POV Shorts and click on the very first result. Open the GPT and hit Start, and it will immediately ask you which historical era you would like to experience. Pick anyone from the list or simply type in your own custom era. I am going with number 1. Hit Enter. Now it will ask you to select a country.
I am entering number 4, which is Italy. Hit Enter. And now it will ask you to choose the role you would like to experience inside that era. I am going with number 6, which is Soldier. Hit Enter. And within seconds, it will generate 6 complete scenes with fully written image prompts and video prompts for every single scene, all structured and completely ready to use. Copy image prompt 1 and head straight over to Google Flow. Select the image option from the top and make sure every single one of your settings is fully switched on. Paste the prompt in and hit Generate. And in just a few seconds, a stunning, realistic image for your first scene will appear right in front of you. Pick the one that looks the most immersive and cinematic. Click the 3 dots and select Add to Prompt. This allows Google Flow to use your chosen image as a reference for the next scene, keeping everything visually consistent. Now, copy Scene 2 image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. Simply repeat this exact same process until every single one of your scene images is completely done. Now, it is time to bring all of them to life. Click on your very first image, hit the 3 dots, and select Animate. Choose OmniFlash as your video model and set your desired timing and number of outputs. Copy the video prompt for Scene 1 from ChatGPT and paste it directly in. Hit Generate and your first video scene will be ready in just a few seconds. Now, repeat this exact same process for every remaining image until all of your scenes have been converted into fully animated video clips. Once everything is done, import all your clips into any video editor you are comfortable with and arrange them in the correct sequence from beginning to end.
Add any transitions you feel enhance the flow. Now, drop in your POV text overlays in sync with each scene, exactly like this. And once everything looks clean and polished, hit Export. Your viral historical POV video is completely finished and ready to post. So, that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now.